Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windrose Not Loading, Stuck on Loading, or Infinite Loading Screen on PC. If you're facing this issue, it could be caused by leftover files from the demo version of the game. First, open File Explorer, go to this PC, then open your C drive. Now open the users folder, then open your username folder. Next, open the app data folder. If you don't see it, click View, select Show, and enable Hidden Items. Now go to the local folder and look for a folder named R5. If you played the demo version, this folder may be causing the issue. Before making any changes, copy the R5 folder and paste it somewhere safe like your desktop to create a backup. Once you've created a backup, rename the R5 folder. Keep in mind, this will reset your game completely. You'll lose saved progress and settings. Now launch the game again and check if the issue is fixed. If you never played the demo, open the R5 folder, then go to Saved Config and rename the config folder. This will reset your settings without deleting everything. If the problem still continues, you can back up the entire R5 folder again and then rename or replace it completely to force the game to create fresh files. After that, relaunch the game and check. If none of these steps work, you can follow a full troubleshooting guide for launch and crash issues. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Error Genie.